civil service, business men, exporters, buyers, members of the diplomatic corps, the press, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, taking it from where Zubair left off, I think this is a very good message to all the naysayers of Pakistan, all those who feel that Pakistan is down and will continue to go down. Here's your answer. When we get 480 plus people from all over the world to come and buy from Pakistan, then there is indeed a story that we have to tell. Pakistan offers so many opportunities. There's so much money to be made that if you ignore the din that you hear, Pakistan is a long-term story. The buyers, those who have been buying from Pakistan, know that not only is it a reliable supplier, and I see some of them sitting in our front rows also, but under the most adverse circumstances are able to fulfill their orders and are able to supply the goods at the prices committed. Pakistan has had generally an upward trend in our exports, particularly the exports that we are displaying in this particular expo, not only textiles, which is probably the core of it all, but also leather, carpets, and other ancillary industry. Because it's only through exports that any country, and particularly our own, will be able to come out of this current situation. Worldwide, economies are facing distress in the post-Russia-Ukraine war, which has caused recessions in many countries of the world and followed by inflation, and Pakistan is no exception. However, this is the area which will pull us out. We need indeed to incentivize our exporters more. We need to make the environment conducive for them to help Pakistan not only build up its reserves, but to have less and less dependence on international lenders and more through our own earnings. Prime Minister, the people that you see here will keep on producing and keep on selling, but of course they need the government support. Even the support that was available to them earlier under the new conditions has become more and more difficult. So we need to replace one type of incentive, if that's not sustainable, with another kind of incentive. And indeed, there are many that you will hear, not only here and in your subsequent meetings in Karachi, but also back when we get to Islamabad. The industry that we have is not only willing to adapt to changing world conditions, because those conditions are not only becoming tighter in terms of competition, but they require more and more compliance. Indeed, as was discussed last month, we set up the National Compliance Center, which is supposed to be the one-stop shop for ensuring that when we go anywhere abroad, that all the conditionalities that are laid with any of the programs, be it the EU's GSP+, be it the US, not just the GSPs, TIFA and other things, even the UK. So wherever you go in the world, people talk of environment, they talk of human rights, they talk of labor rights, gender rights. And the whole idea of setting up the compliance center was to coordinate that entire effort. We have made a number of